What's up, YouTube? Been a minute with these long videos, but back at it today. Mechanical issue today. Changed the water pump today. Changed the oil cooler a while back, so that's good. With the water pump going out, it's leaking at the peephole. Had to block it up for emergency to get back, but yeah, so stay tuned. Alright, y'all. Got these 14s right here. 14 or 9/16 bolts. See, I got all these Milwaukee tools, best in the business. Help you out a whole lot. Oops, gotta grab that washer. Got one up in here. I'm gonna have to put that belt back on. So basic process, you know, taking out all these 9/16 or 14th bolts. You got these two to the oil cooler. Take that off to back it out. Make sure you get all your water lines. Probably gonna have to take the this one off. Got some 9/16 back there, one up front. Then yeah. Get straight to it, y'all. Keep y'all updated. Alright, y'all. I got the oil cooler tube off. Now it's time to get the water pump. Took all the bolts, water lines. I got this out from right there. Make sure nothing else is connected. Oh, what's this one doing? What the hell? What line is that? There. I got to see about that one. What you do is the hammer, give it a glove tap. I've already pried it off some already. Let me see what this one about. That's a, you can pull this. Oh damn, what's this too? I might put this back up. Is it going to the side of the block? Check that out when I get it all the way up. Can't be no way something coming from the solder block unless it's just a fitting. I think it's just a fitting, y'all. Not positive. Cause I never seen this on a cat motor before. Oh, there we go. There we go. See how we gonna get this thing up out of here now. I have to come back and get all these fittings off. I can slide nice and easily. That's one fitting I already see is causing gonna be a problem. We could take this off for now to give it a little clearance. See, I gotta see why this tube is on here. Cause that's making a lot of room where I could play from. Alright, I'm gonna keep y'all updated. Alright, y'all. I'm just figuring it out. Ooh. Yeah, never seen this before. It's probably because it closed off a line. I'll probably get a wire brush or something, get all this clean, get all this rust up out of here. Alright, let's see, get this water pump up out of here now. I know this bad boy might be a problem. Oh, yeah, I already see it is. Let me see, put a little love tap to it. Oh, shoot. There we go. There we go. Yeah, I see it. Oh, dang. Yeah, I see the little play with it now. See if I can get it down here. I'm gonna make it in to do that. Because, you know, this is an old pump. Gotta go to cat, go get a new one. Let me keep prying down that bottom down here. You got a lot of tools. Let's see what to do again. Dang, did I forget a bolt? The only bolt I could think of. That ain't going to the water. It's this one. I'm gonna take that pulley bolt off and see what it do. Oh no, this is the 15. Boom, boom. 5/8. Oh. Seem like that's stripping. Hold on. It's a 14th, unless I gotta go get a real 15. Let's see again. No, but I don't see that as a problem. This is another boat somewhere. I don't see. I'm gonna keep y'all updated after I find out the problem. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, got the water pump out. Gotta go get the new one. And yeah. All the parts. Shit was pushing water. So I'm gonna keep y'all updated. On the Kenworth 3900. Alright, it's an update. Where is it? Y'all see the new cat water pump. Water pump. Got all the gaskets. Everything we need. Oh yeah. There goes the old one right there. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put that bad boy on. I don't know if y'all can see, but we got 7 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 right here. You know, it's kind of dark. Pour the water pump in. That's the oil cooler. Brand new water pump. You know, it's a ring, man, so you know how they do it. We got the old one right here. Had to block the E-pole up. Yeah, let's get it going. Stay tuned.